Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model using extruded wall space, mirror command and also the Lofted command. So let's start our video. First of all, open a new part file, click OK, change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the front plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to small dimension. This length is 100 millimeter and this length is 80 millimeter. Now go to 3-point arc and draw like this. Go to small dimension. Radius is 40 millimeter. Go to trim entities and trim this line. Click OK. Draw a circle. See this plus icon? Draw from this. Go to small dimension. Radius is 30 millimeter. Go to features, extrude boss base. Select here blind and type 10 millimeter. Okay. Go to reference geometry and select here plane. Choose this backside and type here 20 millimeter. Click OK. Now right click on this plane and sketch. Now select this front face, convert entities and also select this circle and convert entities. Now go to features, extruded boss base, select here blind and type 10 millimeter. Click OK. Now select right plane and sketch. Draw a horizontal center line. Escape. Also a vertical center line. Escape. Go to smart dimension. The length of this vertical center line is 200 millimeter. Draw a corner rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 100 millimeter and also this length is 80 millimeter. Click OK. Now select the center point, press the Control key and select this vertical center line and make coincident. Click OK. Also select this point, press the Control key and select this center point and make coincident. Click OK. Now repeat the same process. Go to 3-point arc. Draw like this. Smart dimension. Radius is 40 millimeter. Trim entities and trim this line. Go to circle and draw a circle. Smart dimension. Diameter is 30 millimeter. Go to features, extruded boss base. Select here offset and type 10 millimeter. See, select here blind and also type 10 millimeter. Click OK. Now we want to mirror this body, so go to mirror. Select here right plane and if we choose features to mirror, this will give an error. You can see rebuild errors. So just click on this and delete. Go to bodies to mirror and select this body. Click OK. See, now zoom to fit, Control 7. Go to Lofted boss base. Select this face You can zoom in, and also this face. See, there is a bending. If we drag this point to this point, you can see there is no bending and it will give an error. See, rebuilt error. So just drag this point from here to here and see there is a bending. Click OK. Again go to Lofted Space and this time select this face and see this corner is selected and also this face. And drag this point from here to here. See, click OK. Look, and also hide this plane. So select this plane, right click and hide. Now for the appearance, select the whole part and go to appearances and select here this color. You can choose any color you want. Click OK, Control 7. So this is our part. I hope you learned the lofted boss base command, also the mirror and extruded boss base command. And if you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel mechanical.com for more videos.